offline on Teams, so perhaps she's gone out for a walk or something. But yeah, no, let's get cracking, shall we?
Yes, just give me a second. Let me know when you can see my screen.
Okay. Yeah, I can now. Service contracts.
Okay, so let's say this is a contract that you want to send to someone or to work with ClickAssign, right?
Yep.
So all you would need to do is you already know how to print a contract, right? You just go into
Yep.
print service contract and just print it with the standard format.
Yep.
Only thing different with this one is you just need to select PPL contract test.
Okay.
You can do a quick email. So what quick email would do, it would send the email to the contact mentioned here and to his email address directly.
Okay.
Okay. Or the other option would be if you need to add something to it, you can do an email. Make sure the PDF is not tagged.
Okay. I'm going to make a note of that because that sounds really important. I know it's being recorded, but there's nothing like writing things down to get it in your head.
The only reason you don't want PDF to be ticked because you need it to be open in a Word document where you can click it, whereas on a PDF you can't do all those things.
Okay, hang on. I'm just opening up a notepad here. I know you don't like it, so that sounds really important. PDF must be unticked. Okay. Yep.
And you can either select email or quick email. If I just do an email for now, I'll show you how the email would look like if you click on email. With the quick email, you just select a quick email and you don't have to do anything after that. So it automatically sends it for you. So that's why I'm showing you the email option as well.
Okay.
So we come to the email, it opens up the email in priority itself. You can come in here if there is a user that you need to send it to. You can select it from right here. However, we're not sending it to the user, we are sending it to the person. So if you do the drop down, then it gives you a list of all the contacts defined in here.
Okay. Is that free text or does it have to be? Does it have to have a contact that's already been set up?
It's free text. You can enter an email ID here as well.
Okay, brilliant. Text.
So if I just enter mine for now. Entering my personal one.
Yeah.
And again, if you need to enter anything within the email, you can enter it here. You can check in the attachments field. You can see this is the attachment that's going out. And that's it. You can just click on send email at the top. Click on OK. And that's it. So I should receive that email anytime now.
Here it comes.
Anytime now.
While we're waiting for that, what just see if that's Barbara. I don't think it is. What functions does it work in? So it works in contracts.
It works in contracts. It works in service call and price quote.
Service calls and price quotes.
Yes.
Right. Where's price? Because I missed that whole section. Price quotes. Look. Is sales orders, price quotes for order? Is that the one?
Sorry.
Is it in sales orders?
Yeah, so sales order and price quote for customers.
Okay.
So,
there's price quote for order, sub-level form.
So no, so sorry, it's sales. You would go into price quotations and price quotations for customers.
Oh yeah, price quotations for customers. Great. Okay, yeah. Print price quotation. Yeah. Yes. Okay.
And
again,
you would see in there exactly same thing. If you select the format, you'll be able to see it as well. Let me
sales. Price quotation for customers. Print price quotation. Nothing there.
Select the format as PPL quote.
PPL quote, yeah.
Do an attachment and do an email or a quick. Do an email on this one because I'm not sure about the contact.
Okay. Apply.
Oh, I think I have an email. Yes, I got it.
Oh yeah, there we are. This is a test. Great.
Yes. Okay. So, so now you've sent it to the customer.
Yes. Okay, so it sends it as a Word document, does it?
Yes, it's sent as a Word document. All they would need to do is just open it up.
Hang on, something's come through to us. Print price quotation. Okay, so that comes through as Word, as a Word. Okay, so how do they sign it then?
Yep, that's what I'm showing you. So if you have a look at the screen that I'm sharing.
Oh, hang on, something's gone very wrong on my thing. Wait a second. Oh, I know. Yes. Sorry. Can't find you. Where are you? Right. Right, so I've got the print shop, yeah, okay. So it's come through as a Word document, yep.
So if you just scroll down at the bottom, you'll see the sign now button.
Okay, yeah.
And you can see there's a link attached to it as well.
Yeah.
You just do control click and it'll take you to a link where you can sign it.
Okay, yeah. So they have to set up their account.
Yes, they would just set up their account and then they can sign it.
Okay.
And like I said, as soon as they sign it, you would also receive a notification or an email in priority telling you that your document has been signed, and it attaches itself in the attachment sub level. And the customer will also receive the signed copy of it as well.
Okay. Okay, that is brilliant. So if we could just go back to the quote, that's going to be dependent on your the terms and conditions, isn't it? Because at the moment it's a bit weirdly formatted for a service contract. Do you say? Well, if you have a look at, if you have a look at it from just a marketing point of view, if you scroll down a bit.
Oh, that's already, this is going to be taken care of, don't worry.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, so that's fine.
I remember you wanted there to be a page break on there, so they're all going to be on the next page.
That would be perfect. Oh yeah, brilliant. Okay, great, thanks for that. Excellent.
Yeah, so
okay,
the person who was actually
who was
making the templates is on a holiday for today. I've already asked him to make the changes and everything.
That's all right. Well, yeah, so long as it's noted. There we are. Brilliant. Great, thank you.
And let me quickly show you the service call one as well, because we were talking about
please.
it the other day and you requested some changes in there,
yeah?
So let me quickly show you those as well. Service call. Let me select the best. Yep, this looks fine. Again, if I do a print service call form, you will see there are two of them, the customer service call and the engineer service call. So engineer service call is the one that's going to be on the engineer app.
Yeah, okay.
But you can also use this to send it to customers as well.
Right, okay,
but primarily what you're going to be using is the customer service call. The only difference between both of them is like the price that we talked about. For now, I'm just going to display it to you because we don't need to do the email thing. It's exactly the same thing. It sends you the Word document and then you just scroll down. Sign it. So let me just show you how it looks. So this is the customer one. So you can see site contact will be at the top. It will have the site contact if there's one defined for it. So we got that.
Brilliant.
And I think that's all you asked for. If you just want to have a look at it, make sure everything's all right and as requested.
So this is going to be, this isn't click to sign, is it?
This is click to sign.
This is click to sign. Okay. Would it be possible then to have the customer details on the click to sign invoice, i.e. the people who are paying for it? I know I'm contradicting myself, but I didn't realise it would be used as a quotation form. I thought it was just going to be an engineer report form. You see, you've got your customer.
So the customer details, I mean, you have the name of the customer here, which is.
Well, you've got the name of the site, haven't you? Isn't that the name of the site?
The name of the site is Precision Peripherals Limited.
Yeah, so you need the people who are paying the invoice, who could be, I don't know, Dash Computers Limited.
So if you have a look at it here, if you want, we can add more details. So you can see the customer name is Print Shop and the site is PPL Swansea. So
okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, sure. Okay. Yeah. Right. Okay. Yeah, we need the okay. In that case, for this then, yeah, because for the report that the engineer needs to give needs to be to the site person on the site.
Yes, and that's why you have the site contact and the site detail at the top.
Yeah, but if we're quoting to go back and fit a printhead for a customer's customer, then we will need the customer's details more prominent.
Okay. So you're saying for the customer one, we need
the customer details, yeah, the person, the people who are eventually paying the invoice.
Okay. Yeah.
And they'd also need the site where it is.
So what I can do is I can shift the site. I can ask him to shift the site beneath the details of the customer, and we can add the customer address as well in there beneath.
Yeah. Could we have the customer details more prominent though? Could we have the customer details on top? and then the site underneath.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
That's
brilliant. Yeah, okay, great. Okay, yeah, that's fine. And then if you scroll down, then you'll or when you do the click to sign, yeah, customer signature, you'll be able to. So you just go through then into print price quotation, email.
This is customer service call. This is not price quotation.
Oh, sorry, I thought this was for price quotation. I thought this was click to sign.
Yeah, this is click to sign, but this is sending the service call report.
Okay. Okay. Well, that's okay. Yeah. Okay. Well, we still have that on. If there's pricing, we have the customer on the site, please. That would be brilliant. What's the click to sign look like?
This is the click to sign. So this is what you will send, and they can sign it here.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Brilliant. That's great then. Yeah.
So
Please make the changes that we discussed.
that's it. So you just want the customer details on the customer one to be at the top. That's it, right?
Yes, please. Yeah.
Okay, perfect. You can additionally use it to send quotes as well. So if you like, the quote one is different. So this is the quote one. If I remember correctly, you wanted it to work with service calls as well, right?
Yes, that's right. Yes.
Because earlier we told you that it would not work with service calls. Then we found out it works with service calls. Obviously, we had one for service calls, and contract was already requested by you, and you need.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Sorry, I was a bit confused because I thought you couldn't do it by service calls.
Trust me, I know you have a lot on your mind right now, so that's okay. Don't worry.
Yeah, no, that's fine. It's good that it can be done for service calls. That's great.
So
I'm
if
just
I
making
take an
note of that.
example of price code, so this is the price code. Code display. So this is the price code.
Yeah, is there, you know, that address at the top underneath? Is there a chance of, because at the moment it looks a little bit ski with. I don't know whether that's just something that's formatting error.
Yeah, it's just formatting.
Yeah, whether that can be sorted out.
Yeah. Okay.
Price quotation, and perhaps you can utilize the space underneath price quotation. I don't know, there seems to be a lot of white space.
Yeah, don't
But
that'd be done.
yeah, okay, great. Quote number. Yeah, terms and conditions. Yeah, that looks fine. Yeah, brilliant.
Yep, perfect.
Yeah.
And so that's it. So that covers.
Could you? Sorry, very important. Could you scroll down?
Yeah.
You see where it says precision peripherals. Could you say quotes valid for 14 days?
Yeah.
Just change it
So
to.
there is like an expiry date here.
Oh, okay. Oh, right. Yeah. Okay.
So if you have a look at the form, service code form,
Oh,
you
is
have
there?
the quote date and the expiry date. So you can
Oh,
define the
okay.
expiry date.
Oh, okay. That's
if you
fine
want,
then.
that can be done.
Yeah. Okay. Precision peripherals, or just get okay. If you scroll down, if you just get rid of precision peripherals, just say thank. If you just say thank you for your business, yeah.
Yeah, that's okay. That's not a problem. Yeah.
Okay, brilliant.
Is that correct then?
Yes, if you could just change it all to thank you for your business and for the rest of them.
Don't worry about that. I'll just send that to the person who's editing them. Don't worry about that.
Do we need our bank details? You see at the very bottom.
Yeah.
You see underneath the line. Oh, could you, if I give you some text with our bank details on,
okay.
Could that be added?
I think so. That should be possible. So
Or,
if you just
or
send it to me, I'll ask him. I'll ask the guy. I'll send it over to
yeah,
him.
because
If it
there's
can be done, he'll do it for you.
yeah, I don't know what those symbols are, whether they're just holding for until you put something else in there. I don't know.
Don't worry about it. Just send it to me. I'll send it over to
Yeah.
him. If it can be done, he'll do it.
I,
If not, that's the worst.
okay, great. Okay, well, yeah, in terms of everything then, does it work in my playpen?
Yeah, it's literally everywhere. The format is everywhere. The only thing that you would need to do in order for a customer to be signed in, let me just show you the background of it, which is
Yes,
just this.
please.
So when you're setting up a customer, the and yeah, so when you're setting up the customer, the only extra thing that you would need to do is you would need to define the person who's going to be able to receive these invoices, the click to sign.
Okay,
So
and that
let's
is,
so let's say John is the person who's going to be signing them.
yeah.
Then you would need to zoom into John and you would go in. Sorry, I've forgotten where it is. Yep, sign up in Priority Connect. That's what you need to flag it. That's it.
Okay, that is brilliant.
So what this will do is this will allow this person to be able to create an account in the Priority Connect. You saw, right? It asks you to create an account.
Yeah, yes, okay, yeah, of course. Yeah, okay,
That's just
great.
the extra thing that you would need to do. Other than that, that's I think the rest is pretty much standard how you just print a form or anything. That's plain simple.
Plain and simple. You do a quick email, off it goes, and then they can click to sign.
Yeah. Yes,
Great,
exactly.
okay. Well, we give it a go, give it a test, and
Yeah.
then see what happens.
Yes, exactly. Do give it a try, play around with it. Like I said, the changes will be made. Don't worry about that. Just play around with whatever the format looks like right now. Don't worry about how it looks right now. I think it's
Yeah,
pretty much okay. Just a few small changes, to be
yeah,
honest.
just yeah, it's just tweaking, isn't it?
Yeah, don't worry about
That's
that.
the thing.
So,
So I'm just going to go and see. So it's in type. Sign up in Priority Connect. Great.
yes.
Oh, hang on.
Yeah.
You must. I've got an error here. You must define an external access ID for the company in the company's form. So what's that all
Oh,
about?
yeah. So that's probably because it's not set up in Playpen. It's only set up in, I think, for now in PPL Live and International Demo, if I'm not. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Could it be set up in Playpen so I can like do proper testing?
Uh, that's a nice. It can be set up in Playpen, but it's gonna take me time, and I don't think I would be able to do it today.
No, no, that's fine. Whenever you can.
Yeah,
That's
so what I'll do, oh gosh, the only problem I'm off tomorrow as well.
oh, that's all right. I've got lots to do. I'm still trying to get my head. I'm still trying to work with the engineers and get them trained on the app. So that's going to take me a couple of days. So that's
Sorry about
fine.
that.
That's all
I'll
right.
see if my meeting ends earlier, then I might be able to do it today.
No,
But this one
no,
is a very slim.
whenever you can. That's fine.
Yep. So as for the changes, just to give you a recap, you want me to get the customer details on top for the service call for both of them. So the engineer one is already at the top. For the service customer one, you want them to be at the top.
Yes, please.
And the page break thing is already going to happen. I'll make sure that they're at the bottom. And for the price code, you don't want Precision Peripherals at the bottom. You just want thank you for your business. That's it.
That's
And the
right. Yeah.
alignment of the details for Precision Peripherals.
Yes, yes, please. Yeah.
Perfect. No worries. Thank you.
Okay, so cheers. Have a good meeting.
Bye.
Thanks. Bye.
Thank you so much.